Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into the nitty-gritty of corporate filings to bring you the real story behind the numbers. Today we're looking at Moleculin Biotech Incorporated's latest report, and let's just say they're making some moves in their clinical trials that might just get investors excited or perhaps slightly concerned depending on how you look at it. Stick around to decode what is really going on. Also, before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our Discord community linked in the description below to keep the conversation going. So what we're looking at here is a current report filed on the 13th of November 2025. This report gives us a peek behind the curtain on something called the Miracle Study. Now, this isn't a groundbreaking financial report with tons of numbers. This is more of an update on their patient enrollment for a specific drug trial. The company is working on Annamycin, which they are studying as a treatment for adult patients with acute myeloid leukemia or AML. This is a type of blood cancer that has unfortunately relapsed or is no longer responding to standard treatments. The update is about their phase 2b43 trial called Miracle. Here is the key takeaway. Moleculin Biotech announced that they have enrolled 60% of the patients needed for the first planned data review in this important study. Think of it like this: they need to reach a certain number of people in the trial before they can take a look at how the drug is performing. They've hit over half of that target. Specifically, they need 45 patients for this first look at the data. As of early November, they've gotten a significant chunk of those patients to consent to being part of the study. Identification and recruitment, meaning finding and signing up these patients, is still happening, and they expect to finish treating these first 45 patients in the first quarter of 2026. Then they'll do that first unblinding of data. Now, why is this important for a biotech company like Moleculin Biotech Incorporated, whose stock ticker is MBRX? Clinical trial progress is essentially their main event. Advances in trials are what drive potential value. If this drug Annamycin shows promise, it could be a game changer for patients with difficult to treat AML and a massive win for the company. The company's stock is listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC. This update isn't about revenue or profit, it is about the science and the pathway to getting a new treatment to market. This announcement came out as a press release and is attached to this report. Essentially, they're sharing good news about their progress in getting this crucial study moving forward. It shows they are actively working towards validating their drug. So what is the bottom line here? Moleculin Biotech is making steady progress on a critical clinical trial. This is a positive step for the company and for patients who might benefit from Annamycin. However, it is important to remember this is just an update on enrollment. The real test will come when they actually analyze the data from these 45 patients. That will give us the first real insights into whether Annamycin is effective and safe for AML patients. The risks for a company like this are always present. Clinical trials can fail at any stage. Many promising drugs never make it to market. The company is also dependent on funding and regulatory approvals. But on the flip side, the opportunity is enormous. A successful drug for a condition like AML can lead to significant revenue and save countless lives. This enrollment update suggests they are on track for their next milestone, which is a good sign of execution. In conclusion, Moleculin Biotech is moving forward with their Miracle study. This is cause for cautious optimism. We'll be watching closely for that data unblinding in early 2026. Alright, that is our breakdown of Moleculin Biotech's latest filing. What do you think about this clinical trial update and its potential implications for the company? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the corporate world. Don't forget to check out our Discord in the description to connect with other like-minded investors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.